Aviation environmental data is constantly changing. Airspace structures and routes are regularly revised, navigation aids change, SIDS and STARs are amended, runways and taxi information changes. It is essential that for efficiency and safety, pilots, air traffic controllers, air traffic flow managers, flight management systems and aviation charts all have the same data set. This is achieved by use of the Aeronautical Information Regulation and Control System, known as AIRAC. AIRAC bases its authority on the ICAO Annex 15 Aeronautical Information Service document that defines a series of common publication dates and an associated standard aeronautical information publication policy for signatory states. In short, it defines that in all instances, information provided under the AIRAC system shall be published in paper copy form and shall be distributed by the Aeronautical Information Service Unit at least 42 days in advance of the effective date, with the aim of reaching recipients at least 28 days in advance of the effective date. If major changes are planned where additional notice is desirable and practicable, a publication date of 56 days in advance of the effective date shall be used. You should remember these dates. The following information will be included in Part 1 of an AIRAC issue: runways and stopways, the establishment, withdrawal, or premeditated significant change to airspace, meteorological facilities and procedures, holding and approach procedures, arrival and departure procedures, noise abatement procedures, and pertinent ATC procedures, positions, frequencies, call signs, and maintenance periods of radio navigation aids and communications facilities, limits, regulations and procedures applicable to flight information regions, control areas, control zones, advisory areas, air traffic service routes, permanent danger, prohibited and restricted areas, and air defence interception zones, permanent areas or routes where the possibility of interception exists. Part 2 of an AIRAC issue will contain information regarding the establishment, withdrawal of, and premeditated significant change to position, height and lighting of significant obstacles, taxiways and aprons, hours of operation of aerodromes, facilities and services, customs, immigration and health services, temporary danger, prohibited and restricted areas, navigational hazards and military exercises and mass movement of aircraft, temporary areas or routes where the possibility of interception exists.